Welcome everyone. In today's session, we'll explore a powerful JavaScript concept, creating a function that can invoke multiple functions with the same set of arguments. Imagine a scenario where you need to perform multiple calculations, like finding the minimum and maximum values from a set of numbers, or applying transformations to a shared input data. Instead of writing repetitive code for each function, create a reusable, higher order function that simplifies this process. This is a valuable concept in functional programming and will make your code cleaner, modular, and easier to maintain. Let's get started. Let's break down the problem. Our objective is to create a function that accepts multiple other functions and a set of arguments. It will apply each function to the arguments and return the results as an array. For example, consider the functions method_min and method_max. If we provide the array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as input, method_min should return 1, which is the smallest number, and method_max should return 5, the largest number. This problem helps us explore higher order functions, which are essential for writing modular and reusable code in JavaScript. Here's how the code works. The over function is a higher order function that takes multiple functions, fns, as input. It returns a new function that takes any number of arguments, args. Inside the new function, we use fns.map to iterate over the list of functions and invoke each with the same arguments using fn.apply, null args. The result of all function calls are collected into an array. In our example, we use over to create a function named min_max, which combines method_min and method_max. When we call min_max with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it returns 1 and 5, where 1 is the minimum and 5 is the maximum value. Here's how it works. The over function accepts multiple functions as input. It returns a new function that can take shared arguments. Using array.prototype.map, we iterate over each function in the input list and call it with the provided arguments. The results are then collected into an array and returned. This modular approach ensures that we can easily extend the functionality by adding more functions to the input list. Let's look at some examples. For the input of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 5. The order of numbers does not affect the results. So 1, 2, 5, 4, 3 also produces 1 and 5. If you include a negative number such as -4, the minimum becomes -4 and the maximum becomes 5. This pattern has numerous applications in real-world scenarios. Data processing. We use it to compute multiple metrics like the minimum, maximum, and the average from a dataset. Transformations. We apply multiple transformations, such as formatting or validation, to shared input data. Modularity. The over function encourages modular and reusable code, making it easier to extend and maintain. To summarize, higher order functions like oversimplify operations involve multiple functions and shared arguments. This approach promotes code reusability and modularity. It is a great example of how functional programming concepts can be applied in JavaScript for efficient and readable code. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.